In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit QuickBooks categories. Whether you're running a small business, managing a project, or simply trying to keep your financials in order, knowing how to adeptly navigate QuickBooks is essential. Managing your chart of accounts within QuickBooks not only helps streamline your accounting, but also ensures greater financial accuracy. Let's walk you through the process of editing categories in QuickBooks in a few straightforward steps. First, let's talk about how to get started. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Once you are there, you'll find that the login process is quite intuitive. Just look at the top right corner where you'll see the sign in button. Give it a click to proceed. It's important to ensure that you're accessing QuickBooks from a secure network, especially if you're dealing with sensitive financial information. Next, you'll need to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and type in your email and password. It's always a good idea to use a password manager to store your details securely if you have trouble remembering them. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard where you can access all the essential tools and features that QuickBooks has to offer. Now that you're logged in, you want to head over to the settings menu. To do this, navigate to the top navigation bar. Typically, you'll find an icon resembling a gear. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll select Chart of Accounts. This section of QuickBooks allows you to organize all the financial categories that pertain to your business and any related accounts. Once you are in the chart of accounts, you'll see a list of all the existing categories. What you'll do now is find the category you wish to edit. Suppose you're managing expenses and need to update or change specific subcategories. This is where you'll make those adjustments. Scroll through the list or use the search function to locate the exact category you're interested in. This can save you time, especially if you're dealing with a long list of accounts. When you've identified the category you want to edit, look to the right hand side of the screen. There you'll notice a drop down option. It usually looks like a small arrow or 3 dots signifying more options. Go ahead and click on it. This drop down is where QuickBooks houses more in-depth options for handling each account. Within this drop down menu, you'll have the choice to edit. Click on this option to open up a detailed view of the category's current settings. It's here that you can update various details such as the category name, description, or account type. This flexibility is particularly useful if your business evolves and you need your accounting software to reflect new organizational structures or categories. After making the necessary changes to your selected category, take a moment to double check your entries. It's always a good practice to ensure accuracy, as any mistakes here can lead to discrepancies in your financial reports. Once you're satisfied with the modifications, look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top of the section you're editing. Click Save to finalize your changes. This action updates your QuickBooks account to reflect the modifications you've made, helping you maintain up-to-date and precise financial records. And there you have it, a quick guide to editing categories in QuickBooks. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and customize your chart of accounts, ensuring your financial data is organized according to your specific business needs. Beyond these edits, remember that keeping regular check-ins on your financial setup can help identify any inconsistencies early and keep your financial strategies on track. Before you leave this tutorial, remember that running regular audits on your QuickBooks setup and keeping your categories updated as your business changes will help maintain accuracy. Financial management can be complex, but tools like QuickBooks are designed to enhance efficiency and clarity. I hope this video has been helpful and has empowered you to take full control of your accounting needs. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. Stay organized, and we'll see you next time.